For years, people believed the safest path to success was simple: study hard, earn a degree, and wait for a stable job. But the world has changed. Many graduates spend years studying, only to face low salaries, endless job applications, and limited opportunities. It is not always about talent or effort. Sometimes the system simply does not reward people the way it once did. At the same time, thousands of ordinary people are building real income through simple businesses that start making money much faster. In this video, you will see 17 real business ideas that are generating strong income today, sometimes even more than traditional careers. Some of these ideas, like numbers 7 and 15, are so powerful that they can completely change the way you see work, income, and your future.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 17. Live clothing sales on TikTok. Selling clothes has changed a lot in the last few years. Many people no longer enjoy scrolling through online stores or looking at static photos. They want to see the clothes in real time and ask questions before buying. That is why live selling on TikTok has become such a powerful business. During a live stream, you can show different outfits, talk with viewers, and create a sense of urgency when items start selling out. The best part is that the startup cost can be very low, sometimes around $300 to $1,000 for basic inventory, lighting, and a phone setup. If a live session goes well, sellers can generate $500 to $3,000 in a single stream. The real driver of this business is trust and personality. When people enjoy watching you and trust your recommendations, they keep coming back to buy again. Number 16. Industrial recycling. Many people see scrap metal and think it is just dirty waste, but in reality, industrial recycling can be a very profitable business. Factories constantly need raw materials like copper, aluminum, and high-density plastics to keep their production running. Instead of acting like a simple collector, the smart move is to become a reliable supplier for these industries. The startup cost can be surprisingly manageable. With a small storage area and basic logistics, you might begin with around $2,000 to $5,000. Often, the materials are purchased very cheaply, and sometimes they are even free when companies want to get rid of waste quickly. Once sorted and sold to processing plants, the profit margins can be strong, often bringing $3,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on volume. When metal prices rise, profits increase even more. Number 15. Purposeful travel for small groups. Travel is changing. Many people are no longer excited about crowded tourist buses and rushed schedules. Instead, they are searching for meaningful travel experiences where they can learn something new and connect with the destination. This is where purposeful travel for small groups becomes a great business opportunity. Instead of organizing large tours, the idea is to focus on small groups of 5 to 12 people and design experiences around specific themes. These could include photography trips, food tours, wellness retreats, or cultural learning experiences. The startup cost can be relatively low, often around $1,000 to $3,000 for planning, marketing, and partnerships with local guides. A single well-organized trip can generate $5,000 to $20,000 in revenue, depending on the destination and package price. The real value comes from personal attention and carefully planned experiences. Number 14. Motorcycle and accessories workshop. Motorcycles are no longer just a way to get around. For many people, they are the main tool used to earn money, especially for delivery drivers and couriers. When a motorcycle stops working, the owner cannot work, which means they need repairs quickly. That is why a motorcycle repair workshop can become a steady and reliable business. The smart strategy is not only repairing engines, but also selling essential accessories and spare parts like helmets, tires, mirrors, gloves, and brake pads. A small workshop can start with around $3,000 to $8,000 for tools and initial inventory. Since motorcycles require frequent maintenance, customers return regularly. With consistent clients, this type of shop can generate $4,000 to $12,000 per month. The biggest advantage is trust. When customers know you provide honest repairs and fast service, they keep coming back. Number 13. Plotter printing service. Large format printing is a business many people overlook, but it is always in demand. Companies, architects, engineers, and event organizers constantly need banners, posters, blueprints, and vinyl graphics. A plotter printing service does not simply sell paper, it sells visibility for businesses. The main investment is the printing machine. A professional plotter can cost around $3,000 to $10,000, depending on quality. Once installed, the machine can produce many types of products from one setup. The cost of printing materials is usually low, but the perceived value for customers is high. A single banner that costs a few dollars to produce can sell for $40 to $150. With steady orders from local businesses, a small printing shop can generate $5,000 to $15,000 in monthly revenue. Fast delivery and consistent quality are the keys to growing this business. Number 11. Buying and selling land. Many people spend decades paying for a small apartment that slowly loses value because of maintenance and repairs. But some investors focus on something much simpler: land. Unlike buildings, land does not wear out, it does not break, and in many growing areas, its value keeps increasing over time. The real strategy is understanding where a city is expanding. Areas near new highways, tourism projects, or commercial developments often become very valuable in the future. Some investors buy large land parcels for around $10,000 to $50,000, then divide the property into smaller lots and sell them individually. This process can multiply the value of the original purchase. In many cases, a single project can produce $20,000 to $100,000 in profit, depending on location and demand. Number 10. Plumbing services. Plumbing is one of those services people only think about when something goes wrong. A leaking pipe, a broken faucet, or a flooded kitchen can quickly become a serious problem. At that moment, homeowners are not searching for the cheapest option. They want a fast and reliable solution. That is why professional plumbing services can be a very profitable business. The startup investment is relatively low, usually around $500 to $2,000 for basic tools and equipment. Many repairs only take a short time, but can still bring strong earnings. For example, a quick fix that takes 30 minutes might bring $80 to $200. With steady work and repeat customers, experienced plumbers often generate $4,000 to $10,000 per month. The biggest advantage of this business is constant demand because plumbing problems never stop happening. Number 9. Industrial pressure washing. Cleaning may sound like a simple job, but industrial pressure washing turns cleaning into a high-value service. Businesses, warehouses, and apartment buildings constantly need help removing dirt, grease, and stains from surfaces like sidewalks, roofs, parking lots, and building walls. The main equipment is a professional pressure washer, which can cost around $1,500 to $4,000 depending on the power and quality. Once you have the equipment, operating costs are fairly low. Many jobs can be completed in a few hours, but still bring strong payments. A single cleaning project might generate $200 to $800, and larger commercial contracts can pay much more. By offering regular maintenance services to property owners and businesses, operators can build a stable schedule and earn $5,000 to $12,000 per month. If you enjoy learning about real business ideas and income opportunities, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow, and it allows us to keep sharing simple business ideas that can create real income. Number 8. Neighborhood hardware store. Every neighborhood needs a place where people can quickly buy small tools and repair items. When a pipe leaks or a screw goes missing, people do not want to drive across the city. They want a nearby hardware store that solves their problem immediately. The secret to this business is not having thousands of products. The real focus is keeping high-demand items like screws, bolts, plumbing parts, tools, and repair supplies. Opening a small shop might require around $8,000 to $25,000 for inventory and setup. These items may look small, but the profit margins are often high because customers need them urgently. Over time, the store becomes the trusted supplier for neighbors, contractors, and technicians. A well-managed shop can generate $6,000 to $20,000 per month in revenue with steady daily sales. Number 7. Food truck business. Opening a traditional restaurant can be expensive and risky. Rent, staff salaries, and daily operating costs can quickly become overwhelming. That is why many entrepreneurs choose a food truck business instead. It offers a simpler way to enter the food industry with much lower costs. A basic food truck setup can cost around $15,000 to $60,000, depending on the equipment and vehicle condition. Instead of offering a large menu, many successful trucks focus on one main specialty, such as tacos, burgers, or sandwiches. This keeps operations simple and reduces food waste. The advantage is flexibility. You can move the truck to busy streets, events, or office areas where customers already gather. With strong demand, a popular truck can generate $7,000 to $25,000 per month in revenue. Number 6. Selling artisanal quesillos. Some of the most profitable businesses come from very simple products. Artisanal quesillo, a creamy caramel dessert, is a great example. When it is prepared with the right texture and flavor, people quickly fall in love with it and often come back to buy it again. The ingredients are simple, usually eggs, milk, sugar, and flavorings, which keeps the production cost very low. Many small producers start this business with around $200 to $600 for ingredients, containers, and basic kitchen tools. A single quesillo can cost only a few dollars to make, but sell for $5 to $15, depending on size and presentation. By offering individual portions, family trays, and event orders, sellers can easily grow their customer base. With steady weekly orders, this small dessert business can generate $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Number 5. Moving services. Moving to a new home is often stressful. Packing furniture, lifting heavy boxes, and transporting everything safely can quickly become overwhelming. That is why many people prefer to pay professionals who can make the process easier and faster. Starting a moving service business can be surprisingly simple. Many entrepreneurs begin with a used van or small truck, which may cost around $8,000 to $25,000 depending on the vehicle. At the beginning, the focus is usually on small moves, such as apartments, student housing, or single rooms. Each job might bring $150 to $500, depending on distance and workload. As the business grows, larger house and office moves can bring even higher earnings. With regular bookings and referrals, moving services can generate $4,000 to $12,000 per month. Number 4. Chicharroneria, pork rind stand. Sometimes the most profitable food businesses are also the simplest. A chicharroneria, a small stand selling fresh pork rinds, can attract customers quickly when the flavor and quality are consistent. The smell of freshly cooked food alone can draw people from across the street. This type of business focuses on doing one product extremely well. Instead of a large menu, the main goal is to serve hot, crispy pork rinds with fast service. Starting a small stand may require around $1,000 to $4,000 for cooking equipment, ingredients, and a simple setup. Because the ingredients are relatively affordable, the profit margin on each portion can be high. A busy stand in a good location can sell hundreds of servings daily, often producing $3,000 to $10,000 per month in revenue with consistent demand. Number 3. Uber, Moto Uber service. Sometimes people need income quickly, without waiting months to start a business. That is where Uber or Moto Uber services become a practical option. Transportation is a daily need in most cities. and platforms already connect drivers with passengers who are looking for rides. The biggest advantage is the low barrier to entry. If you already have a car or motorcycle, you can start working almost immediately. Even if you need to buy a used vehicle, the investment might be around $3,000 to $15,000 depending on the condition and type. Drivers who work consistently during busy hours often earn $80 to $200 per day. Over time, that can become $2,500 to $6,000 per month, especially when drivers learn the best locations and peak hours. Number 2. Ceramic and tile installation. Home construction and remodeling projects are happening everywhere, and many homeowners struggle to find skilled workers who can install ceramic and tile flooring properly. A poor installation can ruin an expensive renovation, so people prefer to hire professionals who guarantee clean and accurate work. Starting a ceramic and tile installation service does not require a huge investment. Basic tools and equipment may cost around $500 to $2,000 to begin. In most cases, the client provides the tiles and materials, which means the installer mainly offers skill and labor. A single project can bring $500 to $2,500, depending on the size of the job. As reputation grows and more clients recommend your work, experienced installers often earn $4,000 to $12,000 per month from steady projects. Number 1. Nightclub business. Few businesses have profit margins as strong as a well-managed nightclub. At first glance, it may seem like the money comes from selling drinks, but the real business is selling entertainment and atmosphere. People visit nightclubs to enjoy music, socialize, and feel part of an exciting environment. Opening a nightclub usually requires a larger investment compared to other businesses. Depending on the location and size, the startup cost can range from $50,000 to $300,000 for space, sound systems, lighting, furniture, and licenses. However, once the club becomes popular, the income can grow quickly. A single busy weekend night can generate $5,000 to $20,000 in revenue. Successful venues that attract consistent crowds can produce $30,000 to $100,000 per month, especially when events and promotions keep customers coming back. You have now seen 17 different business ideas, and each one proves an important point. Building income is not always about having a degree or following the traditional career path. Many of these businesses start with simple skills and practical effort, sometimes with startup costs as low as $200 or $500, while others require larger investments but can produce profits of $10,000, $20,000, or even more per month. The real difference is not the idea itself. The real difference is taking action while others keep waiting. Opportunities are everywhere for people who are willing to learn, adapt, and start small. Out of these 17 businesses, which one do you think is the most realistic to start? Write your answer in the comments below. And if you want more videos about profitable businesses, smart income ideas, and real ways to build financial freedom, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video.